Welcome back to Tip Tuesday, everybody. Good to see you. Our favorite day of the week, Dana and Ryan, here to talk about this crazy word we're hearing, this term called seller concessions, Ryan, that we haven't talked about in years. And we want to discuss today, what is a seller concession? How much can a buyer ask for? And what can we do when you as a buyer receive a seller concession? So Ryan, as
Awesome
always,
questions.
take it away.
Thank you, Dana. No, great question. The market obviously has shifted. There's more homes available and buyers are starting to have negotiating power now. And something that we hadn't seen in the past 2.5 years are seller concessions, which are basically seller paid closing costs, where they're taking some of the equity that they're getting from the home and giving that to the buyer. So depending on the type of financing that you're doing, you could get either 3% up to 6% in seller paid closing costs. And that's of the purchase price. So you can get a significant amount. And we are seeing a lot of buyers getting these amounts right now with so much inventory that is out there. So we want people to take advantage of that. So what you could do with these seller paid closing costs, you could obviously just pay for the basic closing costs, which are title fees, lender fees, taxes, and homeowners insurance. So you could get those covered. So all you have to worry about would be the down payment. But on top of that, the most exciting part is that the seller could help you get a lower interest rate. You could buy down the interest rate below where the market is at by paying extra closing costs. That doesn't have to come from you, that could come from the seller. So we're seeing a lot of our buyers get much lower interest rates in the market, and the sellers are the ones who are covering it. So that's the great thing about this market right now is, prices are softening a little bit. You could get better deals and you could get these seller paid closing costs to get a competitive interest rate. So it's really great to see.
It is wonderful to see, Ryan. So thank you for all your knowledge. As always, you guys, any questions for Ryan or I, always reach out. Follow us, Team EvoAZ, on all of our social media platforms, you guys, and we'll see you next week.